Hello children. It's so nice to see you.
Hello, teacher. Hello.
Today we talk about adverbs of frequency. Who wants to present its project?
I want. The adverbs of frequency express how often something happens. They are usually placed before the main verb, not the auxiliary or the modal verb. For example, I don't usually drink tea in the morning. The adverb, usually, is placed before the verb, drink. I usually drink milk in the morning. We can't always eat what Dad cooks. When the verb is to be, their position is after it. We aren't usually there till 9 o'clock. I'm not always good at maths. The adverbs of frequency are always, a 100% frequency. My friend is always by my side. I always go to school by bike. I always drink cocoa milk in the morning. Usually. I usually eat fruit for breakfast. We usually go to bed early. We are usually home at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Often. I often play football with my friends. Bianca often plays the violin in her room. My teacher is often angry with us.
Sometimes. They sometimes have pizza for dinner. My teacher sometimes gives us interesting projects. Her father sometimes walks the dog for her.
Rarely. My deskmate is rarely ill. We rarely play on the basket field. My dad rarely takes medicines. Never is only used in affirmative sentences, without not, with negative meaning. He never plays with us. Bianca never lies, I trust her 100%. I never go to school by bus, only on foot. Thank you.
Great work. Thank you. I've prepared some exercises for you on our e-learning platform. See you next time. Goodbye.